Hello, I'm Karl. I'm the chef owner of Wild Thyme Restaurant. Come on in. The inspiration for the food really comes from places that I've travelled and worked. You kind of get ideas from everybody that you've previously worked with, and you kind of elaborate that into your own style. Middle Eastern fusion, there's a bit of Scandinavian, and then it's kind of trying to take the Irish cuisine to the next level, because for a long time their Irish cuisine was bacon and cabbage, and so it's just trying to up our game, which Ireland has came about the last few years, a real foodie scene at the moment. We have a nice big polytunnel. We grow beetroots, cauliflowers, scallions, herbs, and I really love beetroot. I love using a lot of the dishes. It's very versatile. Sometimes the beetroot could be on with a foie gras parfait, or it could be on with a goat's cheese or a duck dish. You can't oversee Silver Hill duck. To have a product of that standard in the local vicinity is just crazy. Your go-to proteins for Monaghan would be a Silver Hill duck. When we're extending our wine list, we have a food and wine pairing night. It usually happens maybe 4 times a year. We do it in conjunction with our wine suppliers. Gives them a chance to taste our new wines that are going on the menu. And plus we have a saddle bar that's adjoined onto the restaurant. More relaxed environment with your staple traditional Irish bar food. I don't really see it as a job. It was always really a hobby since I first started. So it goes back to the old saying, if you enjoy what you do, you don't work a day in your life. So I like to keep it like that.